welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I created this look right here, which is the makeup look I wore for my engagement, which was on July 8th, 2019. Yes, it's been 1 year since I got engaged. So I thought I could recreate that look which I created on my engagement. So I'm not wearing the same sari. My sari was red, but today I'm wearing another sari that I have in the same color. I kind of matched the same jewelry that I wore on that day. And there's a small story that goes behind my makeup look for my engagement, and that is I created this look in flat 10 to 12 minutes because that was the time I had before I could go to the mandapam. My hairstylist came home by 2 o'clock and we had to leave to the mandapam by 3 o'clock. So she finished my sari draping and hairstyle by 2:45, and by the time I came out it was 2:50 and I had exactly 10 minutes to get ready. And you won't believe me, I did my eyeshadow in flat 2 minutes and I did my mascara and lipstick while going to the mandapam in the car. So it was such a last minute makeup thing that I did, but I kind of took my time today and recreated my makeup look. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. I'm going to start with my moisturizer, and I will not tell you in each step that I used a different product that day and I don't have it now. So I have different set of products with me right here, and I am just going to recreate the same look that I did last year. So let's start with the moisturizer. I'm going to use the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. For primer, I'm going to use the Ink Blot Gel Primer just on my T-zone. So before moving on with the base makeup, I'm thinking of completing my eye makeup first because that day I didn't get to do that. I just finished the entire makeup within 12 minutes, which was super fast for me, as I said in the intro. But today I think of applying my eyeshadow first and then moving on to the base. I'm going to take my concealer today and use it as an eyeshadow base and also set it with a compact powder later. So for my eyeshadows, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. I showed this in my Instagram video, so if you're not following me there already, please do. So this is how the palette looks. The one shade is broken here, so please don't mind it. So otherwise it's a very beautiful palette, has some neutrals, some colors and everything. And I'm going to use this palette for my entire eye look today. So I finished one eye off camera so that I can show you in detail how I do in my other eye. And I'm very sorry if you hear any background noise. There are a lot of children in the apartment who are playing and shouting. I'm so sorry for the background noise. So for the crease color, I'm going to take this shade. It's called Latte. It's this neutral toned brown matte shade. Intensify my crease, I'm going to take this second shade. It's called Buffer and it's a light pink toned brown shade. From the Wet n Wild palette, I'm going to take this reddish brown shade because my sari is wet. I'm going to take this a little bit and apply it on my outer corners. Taking the same brush with which I applied my crease color, I'm going to blend all the three colors together. So for my lid color, I'm going to take this shade which is called Gold Coins and this shade which is called Super Gold. I've mixed both the colors and I'm going to apply that all over my lids. Going back to the crease brush, I'm going to take the first transition color that we took in the shade Latte. I'm going to take a little bit and apply it all over my crease and blend everything out. I'm going to set my eyebrows using this spoolie brush today. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to take this matte shade. It's called Creme, and I'm just going to take a little bit and apply it right under my brows. Coming back to the base, for foundation, I'm going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation, and I'm going to add a few drops of the Juicy Chemistries Organic Saffron and Red Raspberry Face Oil. For concealer, I'm going to take the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. To set the concealed areas in place, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. For bronzer, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. For today's blush, I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics Mini Blush in the shade Peach Peak. For today's highlighter, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate Highlighter. The pan came broken into pieces. It came in broken chunks, and I managed to set it in place. If you want to know how I did it, then you'll have to follow me on Instagram, because I made a separate IGTV video there showing you how I fixed my highlighter pan. There's still some fallout if I shake the pan, but the main portions have kind of set very good. So I'm going to use this today. To set my makeup in place, I'm going to take the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use the Inglot Gel Eyeliner. I'll do it off camera and I'll be right back. I'm very happy with the way my wing eyeliner is looking. Both the sides look pretty good and pretty equal, so I'm very happy about it. And for today's kajal, I'm going to use the K-Beauty's 24-Hour Kajal in the shade Spade. I'll quickly set my kajal with a black eyeshadow and I'll be right back. And for mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. For my lipstick, I actually use the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick in the shade Ruler, but I prefer to use the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic today because I like this formulation better than this liquid lipstick. Before that, I'm going to line my lips with the K-Beauty's lip liner in the shade High Impact. That's it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. It is actually very easy to do your own makeup for your engagement or wedding. It seems a little hard, but once you practice the makeup that you want to wear on your special day, I practiced my makeup like around 3 to 4 times before I actually wore on my engagement day. So all it needs is to practice, practice, and practice. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to recreate this look, I would be so excited to see your recreation of my look. I'll see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.